Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua. This is a special dua for astaghfar and for mercies of Allah. So you will get both things. Sins and evils will be forgiven, and also you will get the mercies of Allah. Then it means you will get more rewards, inshallah, at the day of judgment. So this dua is also you can find in Holy Quran in Surah Mu'minun ayat number 118. So this dua is also effective for everything. If something which is harmful, so if you read this dua, inshallah, Allah's mercies will change that harm, and you will get no trouble, no pain, no problem from there. Same like that, if you need something, but your need must be under Sharia, then you try to read this dua, so Allah will fulfill your need, inshallah. Some people who has to pay so much money to the people, and people are making trouble for that person. So if a person is just to read this dua, inshallah, Allah will arrange something for that person. So inshallah, he will be able to pay, and he will get to relax. Allah's help will be with him. So try to read this dua as much as you can in order to get more mercies of Allah and forgiveness of the sins, so that we should be at the day of judgment with the people who are blessed people. So we must be with those people. Allah gave us tawfiq, inshallah. So we read this dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbighfir warham wa anta khairur rahimin. Rabbighfir warham wa anta khairur rahimin. Rabbighfir warham wa anta khairur rahimin. Rabbighfir, O my Lord, forgive. Warham, and be merciful. Wa anta khairur rahimin, and you are the best of all who shower mercies. Rabbighfir warham wa anta khairur rahimin. O my Lord, forgive me and be merciful upon me, and you are the best of all who shower mercies. So inshallah, Allah's mercies will fall and the sins will be forgiven. You try to read this with your soul and heart. Inshallah, you will get the reward also, and Allah's mercies will fall upon you, and sins will be forgiven, and purity you will get. That will make you near to Allah and produce in you the love of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Inshallah. Ameen.